Welcome to Civil Study Zone, your ultimate destination for smart and effective civil engineering preparation. Today, we are going to master the classification of bricks with clarity and confidence. Let's build your understanding brick by brick. Classification of bricks. Let's understand it better. Bricks are classified based on quality, appearance, strength, and usage. These classifications are important for choosing the right brick for specific construction tasks. They are broadly categorized under field practice classifications into 4 types. This is an essential point to remember for exams. A first class bricks. Let's understand it better. Characteristics: thoroughly burnt in kilns, resulting in a deep red or cherry color. Have a smooth surface and are perfectly rectangular with sharp, well-defined edges. These features make this type significant in construction. Exhibit a uniform texture and a metallic ringing sound when struck. Let's understand it better. Water absorption: should not absorb more than 12-15% of its dry weight after 24 hours of immersion in water. Crushing strength: these features make this type significant in construction. Second class bricks. Let's understand it better. Similar to first class, but with slightly relaxed standards. Permissible defects: minor cracks and slight distortion in shape may be present. These features make this type significant in construction. Crushing strength: let's understand it better. Minimum 7 mm². Common uses: suitable for non-exposed hidden masonry. These features make this type significant in construction. C. Third class bricks. Let's understand it better. Inferior quality: underburnt and appear soft, light colored and chalky. Produce a dull sound when stuck together, indicating poor burning. These features make this type significant in construction. Strength: let's understand it better. Very low crushing strength. Common uses: used only in temporary structures or low-cost rural construction. D. Fourth class bricks. Let's understand it better. Rejected or waste bricks: overburnt, irregular, and often distorted in shape, brittle and break easily under pressure. These features make this type significant in construction. Common uses: let's understand it better. Crushed and used as ballast in roadwork, filler material in subgrade. These features make this type significant in construction. Mnemonic to remember the classes. Let's understand it better. First is finest, second is slightly cracked, third is temporary, fourth is trash. This helps recall. First class, premium quality. These features make this type significant in construction. What is compressive strength? Let's understand it better. It refers to the maximum load per unit area that a brick can withstand before failing or breaking, measured in Nm², Newton per square millimeter. Higher the class, stronger the brick. Subclassification of bricks: Class A and Class Plates. Understand it better. Every strength class of brick, like Class 35, 30, 25, etc., is further divided into 2 subclasses based on dimensional accuracy, tolerance, shape and appearance. These features make this type significant in construction. Subclass A bricks. Let's understand it better. Characteristics: smooth, rectangular faces with sharp corners, uniform color and clean finish. These features make this type significant in construction. Subclass B bricks. Let's understand it better. Characteristics: may have slightly rounded or distorted edges. Minor variation in color or shape is acceptable. These features make this type significant in construction. I-silica 50-60%. Let's understand it better. Roll: silica, mainly sand, helps bricks retain their shape and size during drying and firing. It provides durability by preventing shrinkage and warping. These features make this type significant in construction. To alumina 20-30%. Let's understand it better. Roll: alumina provides plasticity to the brick earth, making it easier to mold when wet. It absorbs water, enhancing the workability of the clay mixture. These features make this type significant in construction. Number 3. Lime 5-6%. Let's understand it better. Roll: lime reduces shrinkage during drying. It helps silica in the clay to melt and bind during firing, improving strength. These features make this type significant in construction. Magnesia, less than 1%. Let's understand it better. Role. Magnesia affects the color of bricks, usually giving them a yellowish tint during firing. It causes clay to soften more slowly during the firing process. These features make this type significant in construction. V. Iron oxide, less than 7%. Let's understand it better. Role. Iron oxide is responsible for the red color in bricks after firing. It improves the brick's impermeability, resistance to water absorption, and durability. These features make this type significant in construction. Color produced by clay with various constituents. Let's understand it better. The color of bricks after firing largely depends on the chemical composition of the clay used. Different minerals and elements in the clay influence the final hue. This is an essential point to remember for exams. Harmful ingredients of brick earth. Let's understand it better. While certain components are essential for good brick quality, some undesirable ingredients in brick earth can weaken bricks, cause defects, or spoil appearance. These harmful substances must be controlled or removed during brick manufacturing. This is an essential point to remember for exams. Excess lime. Let's understand it better. Effect. While a desirable amount of lime improves brick quality, excess lime causes bricks to melt during firing. Leads to slaking, disintegration caused by chemical reactions with water, which destroys the brick's strength and durability. A. Pebbles, gravels, grits, stones. Let's understand it better. Effect. These coarse particles reduce the strength of bricks by reducing the effective area available to transfer loads. Prevent proper mixing of clay, causing uneven texture and poor surface finish. These features make this type significant in construction. E. Iron pyrites, FeS2s. Let's understand it better. Effect. Iron pyrites oxidize during firing, causing bricks to decompose and split due to volume changes. Lead to structural weakness and cracking. These features make this type significant in construction. Excess alkalis. Let's understand it better. Effect. Small amounts, less than 10%, act as fluxes, aiding in firing. However, excess alkalis cause surface strains and deposits known as efflorescence, which appear as white powdery patches on bricks. V. Organic matter. Let's understand it better. Effect. Burns off during manufacturing, but if not completely burnt, it decomposes inside bricks, producing gases. Gas release forms pores and cavities, making bricks porous and weak. These features make this type significant in construction. Sulfur. Let's understand it better. Effect. Found as sulfates of calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, or iron in clay. Excess sulfur makes bricks spongy and swollen, deteriorating their strength and durability. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Civil Study Zone. Your preparation deserves the best, and we're here to build it with you, brick by brick. Hit the bell icon and never miss an update.